Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
You start by isolating the system. Shut off power and unplug the compressor, then close any inlet or outlet valves so the tank is isolated. Release remaining pressure slowly until gauge reads 0, because working on a pressurized tank is dangerous. Once done, use the existing drain to empty the tank fully and wipe the fitting dry so threads seal properly. You'll need the new drain valve sized to the port, thread sealant or Teflon tape, a properly sized wrench, and a clean rag. You now remove the old valve. Secure the compressor so the tank won't twist, use a strap or steady hand, and protect the finish with a rag. Turn the valve counterclockwise with a wrench. Expect a small release of trapped water, so position a drain pan. After removing the valve, inspect the port for corrosion or debris and clean threads with a wire brush or rag. Make sure to seal correctly. Apply pipe thread sealant or wrap Teflon tape 1 to 2 times clockwise. You install the replacement by starting threads by hand, turning the new valve clockwise until hand tight. This prevents cross-threading. Finish with a wrench for a snug seal. Don't over-tighten, because threads or the tank can be damaged. Re-energize the compressor and bring the tank up to working pressure slowly while watching the valve area. Use a soapy water solution to check for bubbles indicating leaks. Operate the valve several times to confirm drainage and reseal. If you find persistent leaks or pressure loss, reapply sealant or replace the valve.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.